Hello, welcome to Dan Multiskills. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create installation media for Windows 11. In another word, on how to create Windows 11 bootable USB or Windows 11 recovery media. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on for future uploads. The requirements for Windows 11 recovery media, you would need a USB flash drive 8GB or more. Along with the tool, I'm going to show you on how to download it. It's an official tool by Microsoft. Open up your browser and then just type Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Press enter. Go to the very first page where it says download Windows 11-Microsoft. Scroll down, go to, as you can see on here, it says create Windows 11 installation media. Just click download now. The tool has now been downloaded. You can click on it or you can go to File Explorer just in case if you don't see it there, and then go to downloads. As you can see, the tool is here. Double click on it. Then you will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Now if you just click accept. Now if you want, you can modify the language. All you need to do is untick and then choose the language that you want. But I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm just going to use the recommended options for this PC. Just click next. Now make sure you insert or plug in the USB. As you can see, I've just inserted the USB. Now I'm going to select the very first option where it says USB flash drive. Click next. Make sure you select the USB and then click next. Depends on your internet speed. This may take some time. If you have a fast internet speed, then it shouldn't take too long. Please stay tuned. Once it's done, I will show you the rest. Now, the Windows 11 installation media is ready to go. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to show you on how to reinstall Windows 11. Please make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on. I'll see you in the next video.